Today we are making chia pudding, and the ingredients of the chia pudding is chia seed, Hey guys, so today we're gonna make some chia pudding. So we're gonna make chia matcha pudding. So this is chia seed. I put some chia seed. So that's chia seed. We're gonna go ahead and add some flax seed. With the flax seed I'm using. Again, we're gonna use some turmeric. Over here, we're gonna be adding some black strong molasses. Then I'm gonna add some matcha powder. We're also gonna add some pumpkin seed and sunflower seed. And then we're gonna put that to soak overnight. Also, we're gonna be adding some what you might call it. We're gonna add some what you might call it to it, and there you have it. We're gonna have water. And I'm gonna put it in the fridge for overnight. And this is gonna be breakfast for everybody in the morning. Hey guys, so this is the next day. I left it overnight to soak. And I also add a little bit of steel cut oats to it, because I like crunchy. So what I do when I'm ready, I just add a little bit of steel cut oatmeal. And this is the chia pudding. So this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast. And this is a lot. So this is for the whole family. And I'm gonna show you what I eat for breakfast. This is a powerful way to break your fast. Usually I get up in the morning, I drink 2 glasses of lemon water or lime water in the morning before I break my fast. And that's how I break my fast every day. Then I have this power breakfast. So with the chia seed, flax seed, matcha powder, you have your almond, you have your blueberries, you have everything that your body needs to get through the day. So I have all my goodies in the morning, and this breakfast usually keep me for 5-6 hours until I'm ready to eat dinner again, and that's it. I just eat twice a day. And guys, I'm steady losing weight. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. So far, I'm down 45 pounds and still going while I'm eating everything I need.